Hello friends, let's settle a question every techie has asked. What's faster, CPU or GPU? We are going to run the same piece of code once on the CPU and once on the GPU, and you will see the difference right here live. Same math, same code, two different process. Let's roll. I'm going to use Python with PyTorch, and we are multiplying two giant 5000 cross 5000 matrices. Yes, you are seeing that in front of you. This task is perfect for performance testing, which is heavy computation, tons of independent operations. First, I'm going to run it on CPU. Let me run it right now in front of you. You could see that it's running. It's taking about 2 seconds. Not bad. Let's get the same thing onto GPU. I'm going to run it right now and no code change. Just to CUDA is what we are doing as a change. And you could see that it's running 0.0879 seconds. It's superb. It's almost many times faster. And this is what parallel computing looks like in action. So what's really happening behind the scenes? Your CPU has a few powerful cores that execute tasks sequentially, one at a time, but really fast. On the other hand, the GPU has thousands of smaller cores that work in parallel. That means processing multiple data chunks simultaneously. That's why GPUs absolutely dominate in AI, graphics, image processing, and deep learning workloads. But remember, CPUs are still king for decision making, logic heavy tasks, and anything that can't be parallelized. So next time your AI code feels slow, check what's running it. Move your workload to the GPU and feel the speed, and that will be the difference. Thank you. I'll come back with another video shortly like this. It's going to be interesting.